Hi, Ahmad. So I've been looking over your work. I would like you to redo this Harrison Bergeron Kahoot. You have a 33% right now, but I think that's because you didn't finish. But we need to have a passing score so that I know you understand the story enough to be able to start analyzing it or breaking it down. Okay? So you need to know all the parts of the story. So we're going to look at the Kahoot together. And I'm going to give you a little bit of support because this is not just a game, even though it's set up like a game. It's my way to break the story down for you. So I'm just going to put a random number in here. I want you to put in your name so that I know it's you. The first couple of questions are pretty easy, so I'm just going to answer them and move on to a harder question. So Kurt Vonnegut Jr. wrote Harrison Bergeron. And it is true that this story is set in the future. So here is a harder question. What does it mean to be equal in this story? So what does it mean? So we're looking for a definition. Equal is in quotes. So that tells us it's going to have a special meaning, something different than what we would normally connect with the word equal. So then we come down here and we see some possible meanings for the word equal, and we have to choose one. So we'll be listening for what the word equal means. So let's listen. So everyone was the same in every way, the way they looked and how they were able to perform. But it was something they were forced to be by the handicapper general. So down here it says, all people have equal rights and are forced to be equal in traits. All people are equal in rights and traits, or rights and skills, but not traits, like how they look. All people have equal rights only. Well, we know that's not right because it talks about strength, it talks about what they look like. All people are only equal in strength. Well, no, it talks about what they look like. So the answer has to be forced. So let's look at another one. So we heard in the previous segment that the handicapper makes everybody look the same, act the same, perform the same. So let's see. Let's look at this sentence and decide whether it's true or not. The handicapper general makes sure no one has any advantage. Well, from the previous segment, they make sure everyone's the same in every way, so that would be true. So each one of these questions, take your time and think through them. I'm more concerned with how you perform, how many you get right, rather than your overall score. But you can do this as many times as you want to see just how high a score you can get. So that's what I need you to do, Mr. Ahmad. Finish this up for me and get a passing score. Bye now.